Alright, so I am live with our second break. Let me go full screen. I don't need our check. Alright, so break 2382, that's Artifact 82, Artifact 1718 double box break. Let's do this. Good luck, everybody. So we've got 8 packs per box, 1 hit per pack, that's for sure. Let's do this. Pack 1. So we are going to start with the patch, and it's a jersey with a barely two-color patch for the Flyers, number 265, Claude Giroux. So nice start for the Flyers. Pack number 2, we've got the Artifact Rookie Redemption for the Anaheim Ducks. Third pack, I can't see a random coming. Alright, so base card number 599 for the New York Rangers, Henrik Lundqvist. And we've got the Artifact Rookie Redemption Emerald for Pittsburgh. Nice hit for Pittsburgh. So for now, no random to do. For those of you who know me, I don't like those randoms. Artifact Rookie number 999 for the Vancouver Canucks, Brock Boeser. He's probably going to be the Rookie of the Year this year. He's already has 20 goals. Next, we get a base card number 299 for the Flyers, Ivan Provorov. Pack number 6, dual jersey number 125, Chicago Blackhawks, Corey Crawford, who's injured right now. Let's hope he's gonna be back soon. Pack 7, we've got a dual jersey out of 165 for the New Jersey Devils, Adam Henrique. And our last pack, no random please, we've got the Artifact Rookie number 399, Ruby for Winnipeg, Jack Roslovic. So nice first box. Well, first box only because I didn't get any random. Let's do box number 2. Let's get a monster hit. Great, pack 1. Oh, that's a nice one. For the Buffalo Sabres, game use relics number 12 out of 27, honored member, Pat LaFontaine. So really nice hit for the Buffalo Sabres, dual sticks of Pat LaFontaine. Nice way to start box number 2. Next, we've got the Artifact Rookie Redemption, Washington Capitals. Third pack, we've got the Artifact Rookie number 999 for LA, Adrian Kemp. Number 4, we've got a base card out of 599, Winnipeg Jets, Patrick Laine. Next, a base card number 299 for the LA Kings, Jeff Carter. Pack number 6, we've got a quad jersey number 299, Jamie Benn, John Klingberg, Tyler Seguin, and Jason Spezza. All 4 for the Dallas Stars. Nice hit for Dallas. Pack 7, we've got a dual jersey rookie out of 499, Carolina Hurricanes, Lucas Wallmark. And last pack of artifacts, we've got a base card number 299 for the Calgary Flames, Johnny Gaudreau. So 2 solid boxes, no random. So that's what I like. I'll be back in 5 minutes with our single box break of Black Diamond. Thanks.